Hi everyone, welcome back our L3 Toy channel. Today we will unboxing the new model came from Mjx B20. Mjx B20, it is the latest model in MJX brand. It came with the EIS. It's called Electronic Image Stabilization. You can see on the box, B20 EIS, the camera with 4K 30fps with UHD Lens, EIS technology, and also have vision sensor. It is the GPS drone and with 5G Wi-Fi. At the back on the box, you can see the app. It's called MJXRC Pro. So you can download at the Apple Store, Google Play Store, or the MJXRC net. Just scan the QR code. So let's open it. Whoa, cool. So what we get? Yes, this is the manual boot, quick start with the sticker. It's very cool. The MJX Buds logo sticker. This is the battery, LiPo battery, 7.6 watt. With 3400 mAh. It have the LED indicator. This is the propeller. One set 4 pieces propellers. The screw with the nut. This is the guide for install the propellers. This is the spare propellers, one set, 4 pieces. And this is the cable and the screwdriver. The cable for charging the battery, the Type-C cable for charging the battery, and the screwdriver for install the propellers. This cable is for charging the battery, just direct to the battery. The controller, it is unrechargeable. You need to install the 2 AA battery. And here you also can turn on or off the GPS. You can adjust the camera. And last, this is the MJX B20 drone. It's the grey color. And unfoldable arm, the EIS camera, 4K camera, UHD lens, and we got the LED light at the bottom, 2 LED light, and the vision sensor. This is the install the battery, the logo EIS, 4K USB lens, and the details on the camera. This is all we got in the box. The weight on the B20, it is 543 grams, and the camera, it is 4K with UHD lens. The maximum flight time on the B20, it is 22 minutes, and the charging time on the battery about 5 hours. For the maximum height, it is 120 meters, and the maximum range, it is 600 meters. And for the image transmission, it's about 450 meters. Okay, let's bring it to the sky.
I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags and hold on tight, cause we're taking off. Pack map here, track in, pack map here, in, track your backpack here, in back coast, hold back there in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. feet up on the dashboard. We're driving with the windows down. Did you forget your phone cord? We'll buy one in the next small town. Get dinner at an IHOP, a shower at a truck stop. We'll listen to some Johnny Cash.
Do you like MJX B20? Please comment at the below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Goodbye.